So without further ado, I'd like to move over to the 1-minute pitches. And we will start with Jukka Mittinen of VTT Finland to talk about ftep.com. So Jukka, the floor is yours.
So I will go very fast. So my name is Jukka Mittinen from VTT Finland, and I'm here to highlight the Forestry TEP, which is an online platform designed for EO-based forest monitoring. This is one of the thematic exploitation platforms initiated by ESA a few years ago, and it's specifically an application platform. It fits between the large storage systems like CreoDias and the user, aiming to maximize the usability and benefits of cloud processing for forestry stakeholders. So you can use either the applications that are available on the platform, or you can create your own applications. You can share applications or license commercial applications through the platform. You can use it through graphical user interface or REST API connections. And you can find all the information on the website. The image here is actually a new website, which is going to be launched any day now. You can start using it yourself, but we are also happy to collaborate in projects with you. We have a lot of experience in cooperation in different kinds of projects, and I have highlighted here, for example, 3 different projects where Forestry TEP is in a key role. Or you can bring in your business either by licensing applications or using the platform as a backend for your processing through the REST API connections. And all this can be funded through the network of resources, for example, and other means. I think I have used my minute, so I'm very happy to. Now you can contact us for further information through the website. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jukka. And I will put the URLs of these different organizations in the chat for you to see, and of course you will get the presentations. I would like to hand over now to Federico Vanciamore of Space for Good. Federico.
Welcome everybody. I'm Federico. I work at Space for Good as a GIS and remote sensing specialist. What you see here is not the result of a fire, but it's the result of this bark beetle infestation, and bark beetles live and reproduce themselves in a living layer of the tree, and determining often the death of these trees. And in Europe, actually, we are assisting to massive bark beetle outbreaks due to climate change and to the change in the species composition. At Space for Good, we developed a model to analyze the risk of bark beetle outbreaks to facilitate forest management, and specifically we did it in Switzerland. How? With the use of satellite imagery, more specifically Sentinel-2, combined with weather data and with in situ information such as forest characteristics and geology. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have extra information. We are actually active as well in the arena of deforestation and fire detection and biomass assessment. Thank you for the attention.
All right, thank you very much, Federico. Moving on now to Julia Yagwe of GMV, who will talk about My Sustainable Forests. So, Julia.
Okay, good afternoon, and thank you for the opportunity. So I would like to present to you what we have done from our team led by GMB based in Madrid on My Sustainable Forest Horizon 2020 project, which is a go-to-market project. And I would like to present 2 things: the product portfolio and how to request the products which are laid in a web platform. So the portfolio consists in 21 products based on satellite, LiDAR, and sonic data. And the 21 products are arranged, well, around 6 services that follow the silviculture cycle of a forest. So here you have each one, the names of each one of the products and how they are linked to that silvicultural cycle. Each product You can access them and see them fully described in the web page. And each product has a fact sheet with a full definition, all the technical details, and the applications in the cycle. All these products are produced by four of the partners and have been tested and validated, all of them, by other 6 stakeholders, members of the consortium. And we have been super careful in the validations and in presenting the results, which have been very, very good. Here you just have a sample for the clear cuts. And there also you will find the service request form. Very simple. In just one page, you access it and give your details to enter into the platform, which is secured. And you will, the person or the institution or stakeholder or proprietor will access the details and the products requested. And here you will have further information about it. And with this, I thank you for your interest.
Okay, thank you very much, Julia, for putting a lot of information in a very short presentation. I know this is not easy. I would like to move over to our last speaker of today, Arnis Kadakovskis of the Institute of Electronics and Computer Science in Latvia. Arnis, assuming you're still with us, the floor is yours.
So yeah, hi, my name is Arnis, and I'm with the remote sensing group at the EDI Research Institute in Riga, Latvia. At Project Woodstock, we're doing what many others are doing, estimating forest stand parameters using different combinations of satellite data and ground truth data. Our team of 10 is focused on novel unsupervised and self-supervised machine learning approaches for land cover classification. Basically, that's the big difference from our approach. And from users' perspective, this improves the performance where ground truth data is insufficient or deficient, be it sparse, biased, or incomplete. Those are typical problems in machine learning projects. And you were using a mix of open domain and commercial data, satellite data, to find the best combinations. And we're validating the approach with the largest forestries in Latvia, and we'll be happy to get to know more research and industry partners in the field. So please contact me for follow-up questions.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Arnis, and we'll make sure to spread this information to everyone who is and also everyone who has not been able to join us today. So thank you for that. With that, I have 2 more very short messages that I'd like to share with you before we close for today. And I will share my screen real quick for that. First of all, I would like to invite all of you to join us again next month on the webinar with Euryzy and GroundStation.space, where we will then focus on space for smart mobility. So quite different from today, but still within the space opportunities for climate challenges theme. Next month, Wednesday, the 7th of April at 4 o'clock. And then to close off for today, I would like very much to invite you to the Open Campus Forum, where from tomorrow morning onwards, you will find the replay of the webinar, plus links to all the recordings, and I will send you an email, a link to all the presentations. I will send you an email on how to get there. But if you want to join us already, please go on the GroundStation.space website to the menu Open Campus, where you will find the forum and where you will find all the information about this and all our previous webinars. We have to ask you to register, just one-off, to become a member of the forum, which is completely free, of course. Then log in and then find today's topic, Space Opportunities for Forestry, and you'll find all the information. And it's a forum, so it's really meant to interact, to ask questions, to add new topics that we maybe have not talked about today, and to share knowledge and to share your questions, find partners perhaps to look at the calls that Linda talked about earlier, and anything really to form collaborations on the topic of space for forestry. So having said that, please meet us at the forum. If not, meet us next month. Oh, it still says here 3 March, sorry, that should say the 7th of April. Please stay in touch, groundstation.space and Eurazee.eu. And thank you very much to our speakers for taking the time to share this information with us. And thank you very much to all participants for joining us and learning together with us. So thank you very much, and we'll talk to you next month.